Hey everyone! Today we are unboxing and reviewing a highly anticipated Korean skincare product that'll be White Truffle Double Serum and Cream. What makes this product so unique is that it's completely customizable. It features a dual chamber system with 2 different formulas inside to target your specific skin needs. Depending on your skin type, whether it's oily, combination, or dry, you can mix the perfect ratio of hydration and deep nourishment. It's even clinically tested for sensitive skin. Let's open it up. Inside the premium packaging, it comes with a helpful guide. Clean and easy to mix. Look at that! On one side you have the Golden Aqua Serum. It's incredibly lightweight, hydrating, and gives the skin an instant, refreshing glow. It absorbs beautifully without feeling heavy. And a handy little spatula to keep things. On the other side is the rich, intense cream. This is packed with white truffle extract and plant-based oils to deeply nourish, firm, and support your skin barrier. It leaves the skin looking incredibly radiant and healthy. When you blend them together, you get the absolute perfect balance of deep moisture and elasticity. If you're looking for a customizable way to get that coveted glass skin glow, this is definitely one to check out. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Dialba products before. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more skincare reviews. See you in the next video.